In this video, we're gonna take a look at the transport functions and give an overview of Logic Pro X. Here you see a blank project. First, we have to make sure that our audio settings are set correctly. Open the preferences and make sure that the input, output and buffer size are set correctly. At the top of your screen, you will find the transport functions, which control playback, stop and recording. To change the tempo, you can either click and drag up or down, or double-click and type in the BPM. To change the time signature, click on the box and select the desired time signature. Here you can activate the metronome, which helps you keep in time. Logic uses multiple windows, which are all accessible from the main window. You can open them by clicking on the boxes or using the dedicated keyboard shortcuts. To save your project, go to File, Save As, select the location and fill in a name. Now you have learned how to set up the basics of Logic.